Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable double tap to wake screen on or off on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, and the same steps should apply on all the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now this feature is basically simple. Whenever your screen is off, all you have to do is simply double tap and it will wake your screen, or double tap to lock your screen. Now to enable this feature, all you have to do is simply go to settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and select lock screen. Tap on it, and then you should see this option, double tap to wake or turn off screen when device is locked. So all you have to do is simply tap on the toggle switch icon, and that will enable that feature. Now once you lock your device, all you have to do is simply double tap and it will wake your screen, or double tap to turn off your screen. So that's basically it on how to enable this feature on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.